I listened with so much interest, keen interest, both the speech made by the leader of the delegation and also the well-crafted address by Chief Fariso. And the only thing running through my mind is, if it were close to election and I'm doing the things that I've already done for the Calabari, it means my interest and love for you is not because I want to win election. It's because I see you as my own. Those of you who went to school, who have read so many books, there used to be something that you say, honesty is very, very expensive. Don't expect it from cheap people. My heart is very clean. My commitment to governance is pure. So when you see what we're doing, you understand that we're not cheap people. We're honest, expensive in the quality of things we're doing. So don't expect it from others, though. You can only get it from people that their intentions are pure and sincere. Somebody said, if I don't do it for my people, who will do it for them? We ventured into the Trans-Calabari Road. We didn't close our eyes. Our eyes were open because we know what we're entering into. It's not a joke. It's a big project. We believe that at the end of that project, the level of development that it will attract to that line of entry into Calabari will be very unprecedented. Issues of insecurity on our waterway will be reduced because at that point we're doing road and not the river anymore. The cost of living will also be cheaper. Because at this point, most of our people, if they have to go to those areas, they have to traverse through the water. So you see, you understand that your interests, your safety, your development is key to us. It's not about the number of years that we're going to be here that is important to this government. It is the impact we make while in power. You've mentioned a few things, the Tema Road that we're doing. We talked about the zonal hospital that we intend to commission in May. You can see the level of work going on there. Even before mentioning the general hospital in Abodima, I've already directed, because I saw a text message from a chief. I got a message from one chief. I don't know who the person is, but he said, please, our health situation within that axis is very poor. If you could do something about, and I already directed the Commissioner for Health to do something immediately. Issues of shore protection is a normal problem with us. We will visit them. Reclamation of land. We don't even have the land. The only way we can expand is when we reclaim land from our rivers and all those swamps. We know it. We just finished the first one that we did in Abonima. We're going to start the phase 2. We have the one that they did in Buguma. We have asked the commissioner to go and check the extent of work so that we can reward it for full completion. We are not ending it there. Some of your sons seated both on the high table and the other side has also approached us for more reclamation. We're also considering what we'll do about it. I can assure you that we will attend to those things. On the issues of recognition, we will recognize as much as we can, but provided, as a clause, our recognition will not bring more division. You have to assure me that any recognition we're giving will not bring more division amongst us. So I have anybody you are recommending, I will do my check, and after my check, before. But if it's the issue of recognition, I will do for you. The important one. Do you know the important one? Which one is that? What? No, you didn't say just university, you said a higher tertiary institution. Yeah. Look, let us not be like those people who created campuses. And those campuses could not be sustained. And as of today, there is a big memo requesting that all those campuses should be consolidated back to the university. So we're not going to do our own that way. We're going to study it. Whatever we're going to bring there should be something that will sustain itself. So it's not just about when they say university, tertiary institution. We'll have to get something that we know when we lay the foundation on its own, it will survive. So I can assure you, I'll work on it, see what we can bring to that place, that while the government is supporting, it will also get federal attention. So it has to be something that is specialized. You understand? Specialized. It shouldn't just be a higher institution. It should be a specialized thing so that it will stand the test of time. So go and sleep. All the things that you mentioned, I believe I've attended to all of them in my speech. Power belongs to God. There is a late governor-elect from one of the northern states. He won his election. After winning the election, he didn't leave to be sworn in. Not even sworn in, to be declared before he was sworn in. So you see, I like believing that we don't have any problem. When we get to the bridge, If we can't build the bridge, Moses will come and create the way for us. So you don't need to worry. When we get to that bridge, we will cross the bridge. We will cross it in a way that our enemy will be struggling. They won't see why we're passing. But they will wake up to see that we're at the other side of the bridge. So don't worry. The most important thing is for us to understand that we have a limited time here on earth. And that while we live, the greatest thing we must do is to be peaceful with ourselves, peaceful with our neighbor. It reduces every acrimony. It is only when there is peace that is when development can come into our lives. It's only when we are at peace with our community that is only when governments can come in and do things. So I'm urging you this afternoon. I'm happy seeing you. I'm happy with this level of support. What we did here is just, or what I'm seeing here is just a Calabari. It's only you. We've not added the Bani. We've not added the Okrikanugubolo. So, if people can organize a reception in the name of Ijo, and they didn't have 5% of what we have here in the number. They didn't have 5% of the quality of chief that we have here. They didn't have 5% of our, we have a tradition. So don't you see that it's a fair program already? So we here are the right people who are speaking for the true Kalabari ethnic nationality. There is no story anywhere anybody wants to say anywhere. There is nothing you want to say. You will look at the face. Look at the faces now. It's not the true faces. Anybody that is not here, maybe might be a reason. No, some people are there. The only body who is not here, maybe the person has stomach problem. You understand? So let's not say that he didn't want to come, but maybe he had having problem with nature, so he couldn't meet up. So it might be one or two. Nature problem can't hold everybody now, so it's one or two. So let's allow it. But the truth about it is, you have spoken. Everybody have heard you. The message is clear. I can now go. There's no time I don't sleep with my two eyes closed. I sleep with my two eyes closed. But now, I want to sleep. While my eyes are even closed, I want to even keep my leg anyhow. Because I'm not scared now. You understand? I'm already secured. So I want to thank you again for this visit. I assure you that what we have done and what we are doing is not because we want to get your quick support because of our interest in politics. No. What we have done and what we are doing is because it is our responsibility to make life better for our people. You have given me so much energy. You have given me a reason to dive or to dare into other areas within your place where other people are even scared to enter. I've entered the first one, Abi? Yes. Then I will enter the second one. I will not end without appreciating your sons and daughters that are working with me. God doesn't make mistake. That is the truth. I can say that the support is overwhelming. Is it from the SSG? Is it from my commissioners? Is it from the local government chairman? Is it from the board members? There's Chief David Reed. Where is that your hat? There's one cap you used to wear. Did you wear that one? No. There's one that used to look like a war cap. All of you, my friends, is it Chief Dumo? He started supporting me when I had a meeting with him, and he said, look, young man, I'm not going to go to court. I won't take a dime from you. I will withdraw my case. And he made a promise to me that from that hour, after our meeting, that anything that we're doing in government, he will continue to support. And I can tell you, you've seen it yourself. Whatever program we're doing, he must put his presence. So I want to thank you for that. You know, our people, not that some people don't have character, but our own people, the Ijaw people, no matter the ethnic particular group, whether they Banye, whether they Kalawari, whether they Wike, even that of the some part of Abua and all those things, we're people with character. We have conquered because of our strong will. We are people that even if you're feeding us and you do the wrong thing, carry your food. But I will tell you the truth. So I want us to continue to be that strong people that we are. They will come in different ways to come and divide us, but you must be strong. If the pot of soup did not quench the hunger, is it when you start doing by side of the pot, you start doing crock, crock, crock? Is it the one that will be food? It's a message I just sent, though. So you have been standing. Continue to stand with honor. Let me, on this note, thank everyone again. Be assured that we will continue to defend you. Those of you who have some legal battles because of your supporting us, we will not abandon you. We will not abandon you. Your success is our success. I'm happy to talk to you people this afternoon. I'm honestly very emotional. Emotional because one of the stories that they used to say is Fubara is not an Ijaw man. Opopo is not an Ijaw. But look at it today. My greatest support is coming from my own ethnic group, which is the Rivers Ijaw. So I want to thank you. As you've come to show this solidarity, the government of Rivers State will continue to stand with you. Your support for us, people would see them. We will make it visible in the quality of things that we will do in your places, so that you can be proud to tell them, following Fubara, supporting this administration is not a mistake. Let me wish you, most of you have to go back to your kingdom. So you go peacefully. You will arrive at your home, your destination, in safety. May God bless every one of you. Thank you.